questions, visit Walt at Valley Grip Auto and Tire in Cloverdale.
For all the latest fantasy sports news and advice, join me, Andy McNamara, every Sunday at 5 a.m. for the Fantasy Show, delivered by Domino's Pizza on Sportsnet 650 Vancouver.
Halford and Brough with Mike Halford and Jason Brough, mornings from 6 to 9. Your destiny.
Central is brought to you by Avenue Machinery. Give yourself the Avenue advantage and stay under the cap by saving thousands on select Kubota skid steers and excavators. Visit avenuemachinery.ca. We asked you what you're looking forward to this coming Canucks season, and the number of producer here today behind the glass and on the board knocked Abbotsford about the Galaxy Bowl. Is the biggest and most exciting thing to do out there. This one unsigned in the text inbox. Don't At Me, the Galaxy Bowl was awesome. And then, hey, don't knock Abby. We've also got Castle Fun Park. Nothing like riding severely worn down go-kart that sounds like it's in pain when you're driving it. So our next guest, Mr. Fix-It, Kenny Priestley, can you fix go-karts that sound bad out in Abbotsford, or have you ever been out to Castle Fun Park? Maybe we should start there.
I've passed through it a few times. I've never stopped. I think, yeah, that's one place that I don't think that I've been to, but it looks like a lot of fun when you go by, and I know a lot of people.